Yes, go
Mr.
ahead.
Chair, I would like to affirm the statement of Director Albao kasi yung mag-serve sila ng warrant, nagpapaalam sila sa amin at na kita nga nila yung accused na nag-cooperate naman. Yun ngang nilagyan din ako nakuha kasi ng camera ng bahay namin, harap ng bahay. May tao doon na palaging bumabalik sa aking maliit na bahay. May naglagay ng listening device doon sa pinahiram sa akin na Tera. Oo. Doon din ako sa NBI po nagpatulong kasi nga medyo nawala po yung trust namin doon sa PNP. Pasensya na po. Oo. So, yun nga ang request ko sana kung sino mang mga responsible nito. Nakuha kasi hindi ma-deny yun na nandun sa video camera namin. Nakuha na may tao na naglagay ng anong device man doon sa sasakyan ko. And yung last Friday naman, yung nandun yung mga parang mga pulis o hindi mo na makilala kung pulis ba talaga sila, fully armed talaga. Sa lahat ng lugar, doon pa sa pinakaharap ng KOJC compound po. Nagkaroon ng grabing traffic, natakot yung mga tao kasi ano namang mangyayari. Timing din na dumaan yung sasakyan ng aking pamilya, yung dalawa kong anak na maliliit. Nagkaroon po ng trauma, sige suka-suka. Sir, ano ba yan sa Tagalog? Oo, kasi sa takot. Kaya yung pulis na isa, binaganon yung sasakyan. At they were just in the process of going to our residence, which is located in front of KOJC. Really, our plea, sir, is that we understand. I am a friend of the police. I have helped, assisted a lot of policemen, Your Honor, in their cases.
You have helped me in my cases before.
Yes, Your Honor. And and I have many friends in the police. I still trust some of the policemen, Your Honor. As a matter of fact, some of my relatives whom I help also in their cases are policemen, Your Honor. But I just could not understand the seeming great attention that is being accorded to KOJC compound. I would just like to tell them na hindi naman siguro gago si pastor na magtago dyan mismo sa gilid ng airport. Oo, kung nandun talaga siya. Oo. So, alam ko naman magaling yung intelligence gathering ng PNP. At saka alam ko na alam nila na wala sila dun. But I could not understand why they keep on conducting checkpoints there with policemen whose faces are almost covered. Mata lang makita mo. Tapos ang tatapang pa, kung tatanungin mo, ayaw magsagot. Tapos mga drones every night, yun nga, minsan yung mga drones nila, sir, masyado nang mababa. Maririnig na namin minsan yung nandun, no? Tapos hindi lang isa. Number of drones. So, I know that they are performing their job, but I do hope and pray that they should be professional enough na hindi naman ganito ka harassing and invading into our privacy po.